Hello everyone, I am Sonam Bhosle from RJ College Zoology Department. My topic name is Human Vertebral Column. Spine, also called your backbone or vertebral column, composed of 33 bones called vertebra, which provide your body with support and protect your spinal cord from injury. The vertebra can be divided into 5 groups: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and the coccyx, each of which has the unique features suited to its function. There are 7 cervical vertebrae numbered as C1 to C7, 12 thoracic vertebrae numbered as T1 to T12, 5 lumbar vertebrae numbered L1 to L5, 5 sacral vertebrae numbered S1 to S5, and the coccyx. The upper 24 vertebrae are articulating separated by the intervertebral disc. The sacral vertebra and the bone of the coccyx are fused. The cervical vertebra, which are vertebra of your neck, support your head, which weigh around 10 to 13 pounds. C1 and C2 are the specialized vertebra that allow for the greatest range of motion of all vertebra. Called Atlas after the man from Greek mythology who held up the earth in its ring shape and attaches directly towards the skull. This vertebra allows you to nod your head. See, while axis serve as an axis about which C1 pivots, allowing you to shake your head when saying no. C1 is able to pivot on this vertebra thanks to the specialized process called as the dense or the oven toy process. The thoracic vertebra, which are the vertebra of your mid and upper back, hold the rib cage and protect your heart and the lungs. They have limited range of motion. The lumbar vertebrae, which are vertebrae of your lower back, the weight of your upper body and the larger in order to support the stress, especially when you lift something heavy. The sacral vertebra connect your spine to your hip bone. These vertebrae are fused together with your hip bones. They form the pelvic girdle. The coccyx or the tailbone is made up of 4 fused bones, which provides attachment point for the ligaments and the muscles of the pelvic floor. Now let's cover the parts of vertebra. Vertebra has 3 parts: the body, vertebral arc, and the process. The body bears weight. The vertebral arc houses the spinal cord, and the processes allow for the muscle attachment. The vertebral arc is made up of 2 supporting pedicles and 2 lamina. The space inside which houses the spinal cord is called the vertebral foramen. Under each pedicle, spinal nerves exit and pass through the intervertebral foramen. 7 bony processes arise from each vertebral arc to form the facet and the processes for the muscle attachment. Facet joints allow for the back motion. Each vertebra has 2 pairs of facet joints. One pair connects to the vertebra above or one pair that connects to the vertebra below. There is also a pair of transverse process and the spinous process. Between the vertebra are the intervertebral discs, which prevent the bones from rubbing together. Note that there is no vertebral disc between C1 and C2. Discs are composed of annulus, which is made up of several layers or lamina of fibrocartilage, crisscrossing fibrous bands that attach between the bodies of vertebra. Above, below, gel-filled center called as the nucleus. The nucleus distributes pressure evenly within each disc during the compression. The nucleus absorbs fluids at night or when you are lying, and then this fluid is pushed out during the day when you are upright, and pressure is applied to the intervertebral disc. We shorten as we age because the discs lose the ability to reabsorb and fluid during rest, and they flatten and become more brittle.